com tam is my favorite dish here in Vietnam. So today we're going to be doing a bit of a challenge. We're going to be trying a $1 com tam and comparing it to a Michelin com tam, which is going to cost a lot more, probably around $7 or $8 US. Okay guys, we have come to this com tam place just over here. He's cooking the pork rib. Oh, it's good?
Oh, very nice.
Yeah?
Oh, yeah. Where from?
England. England, yes, England. It's good.
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 Very nice.
Ah, yes, she's from Poland. From Poland, yes.
Okay.
Hello. Com tam. Com tam is good.
Good.
Very good, very good.
Very good.
So he's got the broken rice just there. So he's going to start plating up all of the different ingredients. We've got the fried egg. Fried egg. Do you want some of the? Yes. So I think this is like some kind of spring onion oil combination. So he's going to start cutting up the pork rib. It smells really delicious.
Yes, and the egg on top.
And I think he's going to add some of the vegetables. Do you want some of the vegetables as well, Carolina?
Perfect. Yes.
There we go. Vegetables for Carolina. Some cucumbers. Beautiful. So he's going to be preparing mine, but with the meatloaf here. And my friend, Xin Chao, he's making these. He's the barbecue man, and he's making the pork rib over the charcoal. You can see there. Smells really amazing. I love the meat. It's juicy, tender, a little bit fatty, and it has that kind of barbecue flavor from the charcoal. Okay guys, so we have got our com tam here, this beautiful plate. We've got the meatloaf just here. I think it's like a pork meatloaf. Some vegetables, of course. We've got the pork rib, which is going to be juicy and full of flavor. And then you've got some spring onions. It's like a sauce that's made out of spring onions and oil, I think. And the fried egg. All right, so in Carolina's pretty much got the same. So let's dig into this. We do have some fish sauce on the side, just over here. Always in Vietnam, you have fish sauce, which you can dip into with your meat, and pretty much all the dishes come with fish sauce. So the pork rib right now is breaking apart really easily.
But he did cut it, so there's some slices like that.
So they don't just give you a whole pork rib; they cut it to make it easier for you. Just want to grab some of that spring onion oil and some of that broken rice, just like that. You can see. Whoa. It's really good. Wow.
It's a little bit sweet. And you have this kind of like a barbecue taste as well.
Yeah, a bit of sweetness to it. A bit of a charcoal barbecue flavor to the meat. And then you can combine it with the egg to give it a bit more of a, I don't know how to say, like, let me try this. Eggy flavor.
I will try the vegetables.
Yeah, I wonder what the vegetables are. Are they like pickled?
Again, a little bit sweet.
The vegetables? Really?
I
Okay.
think it's kind of some sort of a cabbage, which is a little bit spicy and sweet at the same time. Combines well with the rice, like rice is...
It's pickled a little bit.
Yeah. As Jay said, this is the broken rice, so it's a little bit smaller. And it's kind of like dry, so I think that the oil and some other ingredients are making this dish like a perfect combination, right?
Yeah, like, I'm a meat lover, so if you're a meat lover, you're gonna love this. We've kind of got the pickled vegetables here. We've got the rice, gives you a bit of carbs. We've got the egg, which has like an eggy flavor. And we got the sweet pork rib. And actually, we've got the meatloaf. Okay, so Carolina, to be honest, is probably wanted to avoid the meatloaf, but I think when we asked him for another plate of com tam, he thought we wanted another plate of meatloaf without the com tam. So
I've never tried this one. I have no idea how it does.
I haven't tried this in years. Not that bad.
It's interesting. I cannot even taste like the meat. I don't know what it is.
It's
I think it's some kind of like a rice noodles combined with meat.
I don't know. It's it tastes porky.
It tastes porky, but also there's a, I don't know.
Interesting. We have
It's
no
only
idea.
meat.
Let us know in the comments what the meatloaf is made out
Yeah,
of, because
very soft.
but it's really good to start here. $1. Oh, actually, I don't even know how much it's going to cost, but I'm pretty sure it's around the $1 mark. Come on, it was very good. How much to pay?
Anh Hùng ơi, này bao nhiêu tiền nha anh Hùng? Với lại 2
Just figuring out how much this is going to come to.
75.000.
All right, the master of truth, guys. We're given 100,000. How much change are we going to get back?
Rồi, cảm ơn.
Okay, come on, come on. Okay, so we've been given back 25,000, and so that means that we spent 75,000, which means that our divide is like
37 and a half.
my math's terrible. So 37 and a half, which is around $1. Okay, so $1 Com Tam. I'm happy with that. All right, guys, as you can see, we're on a motorbike. We're heading to the Michelin Com Tam restaurant. Carolina is on another bike. Hopefully she makes it to the same place. But will this Michelin Com Tam restaurant be worth its salt? It is quite a bit more expensive than the one we had earlier today. Will it be anything special? Will there be better quality meat? We're gonna find out. Right now we're just heading towards it, around 10-15 minutes away. We're with our Grab driver right now. We've made it to Com Tam Ba Gian. Carolina's there, just paying. You made it, Carolina? All right, come on. Okay, so I paid by card.
Yeah, YouTuber. Yeah.
YouTuber, yes. Oh yes, the helmet. I don't want to run off with this one. All right. Thank you. Come on. Okay. Thank you. All right, guys. So we've come to, like I said, Com Tam Ba Gian. Look how much meat they've got in there. Hello. Hello.
Wow, they had the grill there.
Oh yeah, the grill's just behind there. Shall I go round? I'm gonna go round. Be a little bit sneaky. Okay. And you have the grill around here. Xin chào. Wow. Look how big. Hello. It's okay? Look how big the pieces of pork ribs are. Massive pieces.
I actually did some research and they are actually very well known for the big pieces of meat.
For the
Massive
pieces of meat. Okay, we'll leave her in peace. She seems very busy, but I love the fact that they've got a massive kind of grill here. And you can see over here, this is the meat. She's chopping it up. Wow, I wasn't expecting it to be so big. Okay, how was your ride over here? All good?
Yeah. I really liked it.
Okay.
Nước ngoài.
All right, let's find a place to sit. I think over in there would be good. Sorry. Bumping into a random Vietnamese auntie. What are you taking a photo of? Oh, I get it. Since 1995, the Michelin guide Ho Chi Minh City Com Tam Ba Gian. He's come already, wow, with the food. Come on.
Come on.
You're very tall. These are tall, very tall. You're tall, wow. I think that's a compliment, and I meant it as a compliment. Guys, wow. Look at the portion size here. So
Massive.
you've got some, it looks like shredded pork. This could be the pork skin.
Yeah.
We've got a meatball. I'm assuming it's pork. I think everything here is pork. We've got another one of the meatloaves here. And
Sausage.
oh, sausage. Looking forward to that. Again, we've got some fish sauce, which they mix in with chili. I got a fried egg, some vegetables, and the juicy pork rib. And Carolina's gone for the classic one.
Basic option, which is huge. I cannot compare it to the portion that we had in the morning, right?
Absolutely
It's like
massive.
double or maybe triple.
I think it's definitely going to be worth it in terms of the quantity, but it's all about actually how it tastes. So let's dig in. I'm going to try sausage.
The rice seems the same, broken rice, typical for this region.
I like the sausage. Very sweet. Almost like a Chinese sausage. Okay.
I really like the rice here.
So, we did a bit of research on the meatloaf. It's pork combined with some kind of noodle, garlic, shallots, fish sauce, and anything else?
I think some sort of egg as well.
Maybe egg. So, Carolina, I'm gonna give this to you
I wanted to grab it.
because on hers she doesn't have it. I want to know the difference.
It's very flavorful.
This one's way nicer.
I like this one more, yeah. It's not even being biased.
It's like English stuffing,
Yeah.
which
Very
is
nice.
made out of sage and meat. This one is very nice. I like this one a lot. So
Very
much
soft.
more, way more flavor in this one. Way more flavor.
I actually like the fact that with every comtam you get fresh vegetables as well.
See,
Super crispy.
I don't even know how much this one's gonna cost. So it's gonna be interesting to see what the price is at the end. But you saw they're cooking massive.
It's
Maybe because they're cooking so many
yeah.
that actually it's harder to make it as moist. I don't know. Maybe that's just because of the camera. We're taking ages to set up. But look how big the meat is. I'm gonna combine that with the broken rice. Now, with broken rice, I did a bit more research. So the broken rice is a cheaper form of grain, and so that's why a lot of people opted to eat broken rice. And actually, the rice, the broken rice, absorbs more of the flavor than just regular rice. So we've got the comtam here, we've got the pork rib, the rice, the spring onions. Oh, that one's more tender. It's really good. Really good. The first bite I had was a bit more drier part.
Maybe you had
Maybe
Inside, yeah.
the outside of the meat. That was a lot more tender, and actually the flavors. One thing I've noticed already, there's a lot more flavor in this comtam than the one earlier.
yeah. It's very distinctive.
And actually, you got some. Do you know what this is, Carolina?
Pork skin.
Pork skin.
I'm happy with my meat. I think we've tried already how many, like maybe 5 different comtams, and I'm not even trying to be biased, but this one is amazing.
Definitely.
You feel the quality.
To be honest, you get what you pay for. It's like when we book accommodation, we sometimes find places which are cheap, and we think, oh, they're gonna be good because they've got good reviews and nice pictures.
But it's never like this.
Usually never like that. So you do get what you pay for. So I'm gonna have another bite because I feel like this Michelin one deserves more attention.
You're just indulging in every bite. That's how I feel.
It's really good. And actually the portion size is massive, it's more flavorful. Right, I need a beverage. I can see people are drinking iced tea, like in cold drinks. Oh, my friend, could I have one of them drinks? I could give you a shock. Well, on YouTube. You know the drinks over there? Just over there, can we have one? Okay, come on. I gave him a little bit of a fright. I was wondering what was happening. The girl in the background is laughing, it's so funny.
Yeah, it's actually very loud here, so that's why he probably didn't expect you coming around.
Yeah, I was like sneaking, I was like sneakily coming behind him, but yeah, the drinks look very refreshing and it's getting quite hot. No, just one. Where the guy I scared earlier, he's making our drink right now. I see. Come on, thank you. What a guy. Alright, so actually I think you just put the ice in, so I probably should let it kind of get cold.
Yeah, it's interesting to see, like they are so busy that everything is so organized, like all of the drinks are just there, but they're putting the ice when the customer orders it. Crazy. I totally understand why this place got recognized, right? Like everything is just perfect.
It's really good.
Everything is delicious.
Service, quantity, taste. It's cold now. Let's give it a go. That's nice. I don't know if you have to pay for these ones because some places it's like a welcome drink. It's like free. You can either like get it yourself or they bring it to you. But I like how they have like a jasmine iced tea. Cools you down, complements well the food. Very simple, I like it. Vietnamese food is super simple but full of flavor.
I
Yeah?
would agree. Yeah.
I think that's a good way to put it. We pack up. Take away. Yes, I'm very full. So the food, it's so filling, and Carolina's had the opposite effect. But I want to eat this probably tomorrow because I don't want to waste it. It's so good. Okay, thank you. I can do it. It's okay. Okay, thank you.
Number 1, number 5.
1 and 5, yes.
And one drink.
Okay.
And 1 drink, yeah. So 223. What's the maths on that? That's around almost $5, I think. Right. Did you? How much did you pay?
250.
Oh, so we need the change. Should we go over towards him? Okay. Thank you. You're so tall. You're eating all the pork rice, the pork ribs. Come on, come on. It's very good, very good. All right, guys, I want to show you guys the setup over here. It's okay if I... Okay. So I'm going to sneak in over here. They've got the takeaway boxes here. The broken rice is just over there. Broken rice is just over there. I actually saw the big lad actually bring it over. That's probably why they've hired him. Maybe because they need someone big to bring over the rice.
Forgot your
Oh, I forgot the
package.
I forgot the package. Okay, come on. And you can see actually a lot of people are coming for the takeaway. So you can have all these different. You can see the sausage. It looks like actually some kind of shrimp there. Some more pork. Got the meatballs. Carolina's filming. Wow. Look at that, guys. Xin chào. Look how big they are. It's massive. Look at the size of my head. You ate one of them? Really? Wow. Okay, guys. So, what was the price? Can I have my phone, sir? Thank you. So it was 223, right? So go to my currency converter, and we're gonna get an accurate reading for you. So actually, it cost $7.37. So it's around, probably for mine, it was about $4 or $5. So actually, the difference is actually quite night and day. For about $4 or $5, I guess it is 4 to 5 times the amount of food you're getting, but also the flavor. So are you going to pick the $1 com tam or the $5 com tam, let's say?
I'm not gonna lie, like I like simple things, but this dish just blew my mind.
Yeah.
It's just amazing how from like so simple things they can actually create a dish which is awarded by the Michelin recognition.
Yeah, for me, $5 one is the one to go for, but I think the difference is I would have the $1 com tam one quite often,
More often.
whereas this one is more like a special occasion. So anyways, guys, we hope you enjoyed this com tam video, my favorite food here in Vietnam. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next
video.